How to build unshakable self-confidence. 7 strategies to boost your confidence and achieve your dreams. Introduction. Welcome to a new self-improvement video. Today, we'll explore 7 strategies for building strong and solid self-confidence. If you want to achieve your dreams and reach your goals, having confidence in yourself is key. Let's get started. Strategy 1. Identify your strengths and develop them. Recognize your skills and talents, and focus on developing them. As you become good in a particular area, your self-confidence will naturally increase. Strategy 2. Set realistic and achievable goals. Setting goals that are appropriate for your abilities and resources makes them more likely to be achieved and boosts your self-confidence when you accomplish them. Strategy 3. Learn from failure and see it as a learning opportunity. Don't be afraid of failure. Instead, see it as an opportunity to learn and improve yourself. Failure is a natural part of the learning process. Strategy 4. Speak to yourself positively. Avoid negative self-criticism and speak to yourself in a positive and encouraging way. Remember that words have a powerful impact on your self-confidence. Strategy 5. Try new things and challenge yourself. Experiment with new activities and challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone. This will increase your skills and boost your self-confidence. Strategy 6. Learn how to handle criticism positively. Learn how to receive criticism in a positive way and turn it into opportunities for improvement and growth. Strategy 7. Build a support network of friends and family. Surround yourself with positive people who support and encourage you. Your self-confidence will grow when you feel you have a strong support network. Conclusion. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you find these strategies helpful in boosting your self-confidence and achieving your goals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and inspiration on self-development. See you in the next video. How to build unshakable